Welcome back, guys. You're watching Today's Platinum, and in this video we're going to be going over the top 3 undervalued cryptocurrencies for June 2018. Now before we get into this video, guys, I wanted to mention I now have available one-on-one coaching for you guys to go ahead and take advantage of. And basically I wanted to come out with this one-on-one coaching to help you guys become better day traders, better swing traders, and better investors overall. And also, if you guys are in other niches like online business, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, or entrepreneurship, I specialize in all of those as I do them every single day and have been an entrepreneur full-time for about a year now. So if you guys are interested in one-on-one coaching, go ahead and take advantage of that. I basically wanted to have a more personalized place to do, make systemized plans, different investment plans for each and every one of you. So in those coaching sessions, I will be able to work directly with you on creating your own customized and specialized investment plan tailored to your needs and specific situation. Everybody's situation is different. Everybody has, maybe a full-time job, a part-time job, a certain amount of capital to start with, a certain amount of income. I wanted to, give you guys the chance to be able to make a specialized investment plan for each and every one of you. So go ahead and check that out if you guys are interested. And getting into the video, we have the top 3 undervalued cryptocurrencies of June 2018. So starting off at number 1, we have Nano. Now, if you guys don't know what Nano is, it's basically a comparative to Bitcoin. It is a transactional currency, and it boasts a lot of pretty cool features. But seeing as it reached a price above $30 before and is now at a price of about $3.93, there's obviously a lot of growing room for Nano to say. So jumping into what it actually is, it's a digital currency for the real world, the fast and free way to pay for everything in life. Instant transactions, 0 fees, and infinitely scalable. So definitely a much better project compared to Bitcoin in the sense that it is a much more functional transactional currency. So seeing as how this may very well be something that is used in the future, I think Nano is one of the top contenders for being the most competitive in that space. Now, I'm not going to go too in-depth into all of these projects, considering I've done coin reviews on all of them. So if you guys want to learn more about them, go over to my channel and just check out the coin review that I have done for each and every one of these. So jumping into Nano's actual price, we've seen a 50% drop in the last month. So, taking that into account, and also seeing that we've bounced off a pretty key support line and have kept above that for the past few weeks, I think that it's safe to say that Nano does have the chance to start to recover from this point on, and it is a coin that has a much larger reward rate compared to its risk rate. So definitely a coin for you guys to check out, and something you guys don't want to miss out on. So that is Nano. Coming in at number 2 is Icon. Icon I've talked about a lot on my channel. It is an infrastructure project, which of course I love. Icon, the reason I wanted to put it here is because I think it deserves a much higher valuation than a $1 billion market cap. Some of the comparative coins to Icon are per se Zilliqa, Ontology, and those coins are much newer projects compared to Icon. Icon has been around for a longer period of time. It's been around since the end of 2017, kind of, third quarter 2017. And, with that, taking that into account, we've seen Icon above $12 before, and now we're sitting around $2.69. So Icon, in my opinion, is very undervalued at this time. Jumping into its actual chart, let me bring it up here real quick. We've actually gone down about 36% this month, but if we bring it up to where we're at now, we are at about a 25% decrease from this month. So it's lost 25% of its value, and it's at a pretty low point at about $2.69. So $1 billion market cap. Definitely think it is much higher than this and deserves a much higher valuation. It's possible that you could wait a little longer, see if it breaks down to $2, maybe high ones. But in my opinion, now is the time to start buying as we may be moving into a larger bull market. So Icon, if you guys don't know, hyperconnect the world. Icon project is building one of the largest decentralized networks in the world, so it is an infrastructure project which I love to invest in. One of my long-term holds for the next 5 years or so. So definitely a good time to get in on Icon, considering its large decrease in the last month. So jumping into number 3, we have Wanchain. Now, Wanchain is one of the ones that I definitely recommend you guys check out. If you guys check out any of the ones on this list, I recommend it to be Wanchain, considering it has had one of the largest declines in the last month. We'll jump into that in a second, but Wanchain, having a $475 million market cap, considering it is an infrastructure project for the financial sector, I believe that it is very undervalued for the price point it's at now. Rebuilding finance with private cross-chain smart contracts connecting the world's digital assets, Wanchain is creating new distributed financial infrastructure. Cross-chain smart contracts built on Wanchain will power the new digital economy. So it is an infrastructure project going for the financial sector. So pretty large market, and also one of the top projects competing in that space. So as time goes on, I definitely think with more innovations and more use cases with Wanchain, I think we'll see a much higher price valuation than only $4.48, considering it's had over almost a $10 price point at one time. So actually taking a look at the last month or so, we can see that Wanchain has had quite a decline, right? At an all-time low, we've seen about a 50% decline, and where we're at now, about a 40% decline. So definitely a good price to get in on Wanchain compared to last month. And considering, like I said, we could be entering a pretty large bull market in the next few months or so, now is the time to start picking up these projects that are undervalued and that could be long-term, pretty great long-term holds for the next 5 to 10 years. So these are my top 3 undervalued cryptocurrencies for June 2018. Sorry if you guys hear my dog sneezing in the background. It's cold season, so he's got allergies, I guess. But excuse me. So guys, like I said, one-on-one coaching is now available. I'll help you guys. There's just an immense amount of information that I can help you guys out with when it comes to trading and investing in cryptocurrency, especially, and actually, growing your wealth over time instead of just trying to get rich quick. I don't want to make any promises, but I think I have a pretty good idea about how to get wealthy and rich no matter what situation you're in. I believe everybody can achieve financial freedom, and that's what I want to help you guys with in these one-on-one coaching calls. So definitely check those out. First link in the description. 30 minutes or 60-minute coaching calls, and if you want to check them out, go for it. But besides that, we have a few free resources in the description for you guys, as well as our private trading group and trading program. So check any of those out if they sound interesting to you. But with that out of the way, guys, this is going to be the end of the video. So feel free to leave a like and a comment, and also subscribe if you guys aren't already. And I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, guys.